I'm sorry, David and Bobby. I didn't recognize you with all these scars and stitches.
It's okay, Father. We've been blowing up and experimenting on monkeys for years. We deserve everything that's happened to us. Plus it's not so bad, I guess. With this new scar, you can now call me, Scarface.
Ho, 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 ho. Son, I would also like to tell you that I'm sorry. I left you and your mother when you were still just a child.
Oh, no,
I rejected you for what you were, just like you rejected me because I was a monkey. But I was an adult and you were just a kid, and I should have known better.
Father, thank you. Franken Monkey, I'm sorry for all I did.
No! Don't be scientific terrorist guy. It is what it is. What happened, and we can't change that. It's been a rough day, but I think we all learned a lot through this journey, and we are now finally ready to stop living in the past. And also, your mother has something to tell you.
Sons, I'm getting married with Franken Monkey, and I'm pregnant. I think we may finally have become a normal family after all. Cheers to that!
What is this noise? Did you put some music on?
Yo, hello, I'm Jesus and I'm here to say nothing's ever lost, there's always a way. You'll be sinning, you'll be sinning, you'll be sinning. The little monkeys, dancing monkeys, were abducted in some dark alleys. Bombing monkeys, bad. Stitching monkeys, bad. You say vampires, I say unholy. You say zombies, I say not worthy. All of you sinners, dinner's ready for your fuckers, and it will be fucking monkey and little monkeys again you can be. Jesus, out.